Mayonnaise sauce. Put in a basin the yolks of 6 raw eggs after having removed the cores. Season them with 1/2 oz. of table salt and a little cayenne pepper. Gradually pour 1/5 pint of vinegar on the yolks while whisking them briskly. When the vinegar is absorbed, add 1 quart of oil, letting the latter trickle down in a thread, constantly stirring the sauce meanwhile. The sauce is finished by the addition of the juice of a lemon and 3 tablespoonfuls of boiling water, the purpose of the latter being to ensure the coherence of the sauce and to prevent its turning. Mayonnaise is prepared in this way is rather liquid, but it need only be left to rest a few hours in order to thicken considerably. Unless it be exposed to too low a temperature, the mayonnaise prepared as above never turns and may be kept for several days without the fear of anything happening to it. Merely cover it to keep the dust away.